Okay. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. We'll say something for real, nigga. That's how you come on Grammy Gang shit. Niggas wanna smoke, nigga. That's free Big P. Okay. Let's get Big P. That shit.
So guys, right here you can see that I am unlacing the Air Force Ones. By the way, I got these Air Force Ones off of eBay for $5. And if you want to see how I got a pair of Air Force Ones for $5, subscribe, like, all that good stuff. But here I am taking alcohol to take off the factory finish, and you need to get all of the creases and crevices. Right here you can see I've got Angelus black paint. I use all my paints are Angelus, by the way. We're just gonna use a little bit of black paint, and then we are going to go in with some good old dollar. So it has like a matte tone to it and not so much like a shiny black. So guys, now we're adding the dollar in, not too much, just a couple of drops. And you're gonna stir. You want it mixed up good enough, you don't want clumps of dollar in there, even if it was clumped up when you pour it out. So stir. And then we are going to get to painting the shoe. So guys, here we're gonna do light, even strokes. Y'all, I paint how I paint, y'all paint how y'all paint. You know what I'm saying? Don't judge me, okay? I'm a little slow when it comes to the painting, but it's okay because they're gonna be fire. But we're going in with the black. We're gonna do the whole shoe with black Angelus paint. So y'all get the memo, get the painting. So we're finishing up that last coat, hit it with the dryer, and then now we are on our second coat of paint. We are going to go in and hit the shoe with that second coat just to make sure we have enough coverage. So I'm gonna hit it again with black paint all over the rest of the shoe, and then yeah. So guys, here we are glittering the shoe. You're gonna want to take your paintbrush and smooth out some Mod Podge all over wherever you're gonna put the glitter. And then you're gonna spread out the Mod Podge. Make sure it's good and even. Use a good bit because you're gonna need it. After you put the Mod Podge where you want to put the glitter, you're just gonna shake the glitter on top of the Mod Podge. Just shake enough. Put paper down so you can put your glitter back in the jar and not waste it. Tap the side of the shoe to get the glitter off, and after I hit it with some glitter sealer, and these were the results.
Net, the net.